Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion, hair care, anything related to beauty. You will find out in this channel. And I love drugstore makeup, affordable fashion, skincare, anything of that sort. So yeah, if that's interest you, please consider subscribing, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. So today I have created this beautiful easy party look. You can carry this this Christmas Eve, New Year, whatever. This will not take forever because I have done a really simple but colorful. You can do this with any color. I have done this with brown, purple. Now this is the blue take on this. I'm recently loving this bold thick liner and a neutral lip situation. I'm really enjoying this look. So yeah, and I really love the way this has turned out. The skin is looking glowy. I have used all the dewy products for this winter season, of course. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I have already used this moisturizer, and let me just apply a little bit more. This makes your face like really dewy, and foundation glides really well. I've already filmed a video, so there is a little bit, I think, makeup residue. Let me just check. Okay, so for primer, I'm going to just use my Mars Take a Glow primer. You guys know this is my everyday sort of primer. I use it daily. This is the only primer which I can say that this really does make a difference. I have applied a little bit of lip gloss because it's so cold and my lips get chapped and dry. So yeah, just a little bit of lip gloss for that. And now and you can see my skin is looking like glass. This make your skin look so good. Really love applying this primer. So I will let this primer get sink in. Oh my god, my skin is glowing like a disco ball. Okay, I apply two pump because I love the look of dewy base, and I will let this primer sink in, and I will do my eyebrows off camera using my eyebrow palette, and I will be back. Okay, for foundation, I'm going to use like one of my favorite, but you can see I have lost all my tan and all of my foundation are looking a touch a bit dark, and I'm like so frustrated about that. And thank god it's not looking that prominent. And this foundation is really good, but the only con is its packaging. It's pathetic. It's so difficult to take out product, otherwise the foundation is really good, really good. You can see the finish of this foundation is really good. It's not full coverage, it's like medium sort of a coverage. What I did is I sprayed a little more of that Plum Face Mist so that it will look more dewy. Because I have dry skin, I prefer all the dewiness. So now I'm going to use my current obsession. I think the whole winter I'm going to use the e.l.f. hydrating concealer because it's hydrating, and in winter I need a lot of hydration. And yeah, okay, so now let's just set the under eye area. I will not set my full face. I will just set my under eye area. Okay, now moving on to cream cheek product. Okay, for cream bronzer, I'm going to use my favorite, my Glam bronzer. So after cream bronzer, I'm going to use this Maybelline lipstick, and this is a very cool tone, pinky mauvey shade. You can see, and I'm like lately loving this as a blush. As a lipstick, it does not look that flattering, but as a blush, it looks really cute. So yeah, today I'm going to do a really simple party look for winters. As you can see, I have applied a lot of hydrating product for that reason. In winters, I apply like blush only here, like not like that sunburn kind of look. Okay, moving on to highlighter, I'm going to use this cream highlighter by Inside. This is currently my favorite highlighter. This is really pretty and it's like very buildable. You can make this subtle, you can make this blinding. See, it's a very pretty highlighter. It's like, see the color, it's a really pretty buildable highlighter. See the color, I'm really obsessed with it. It's like really pretty, natural but blinding. See, my face is like glowing. That's what we want in makeup, winter night, glowing, hydrating skin. Okay, now we will move on to powder cheek products. Now you can skip this, but I will advise you not to skip powder cheek products. Let me just tell you why. Because if cream cheek if you will have your cell phone or anything to transfer, so it's better to lock with powder. So I'm going to use again my current obsession, Nykaa, this compact in the deepest shade. This is the shade Chestnut. I will definitely link it, and it's a very pretty contour on me, and it's like really buildable also. So it's a very beginner friendly product, just under 200 on sale. Like, it's, you cannot beat that price point. And I think Nykaa should increase, like it has only 8-9 shade. I think Nykaa should launch more shades, like, yeah. So it's a very very pretty contour. I like to apply my nose contour with such big fluffy eyeshadow brush. So yeah, it's looking too much, so maybe I should tone this down now. Yeah, much better. And I'm going to also apply a little bit of highlighting powder, because whenever we apply contour, I think a little bit of highlighting powder is better, to just clean up the contour and to give more structure to your face. I'm going to use this on my highlighting points, but just that, not a lot of powder. My skin is already very dry and it can look really dry quickly. So after this, I'm going to, for powder blush, I'm going to use this NY powder blush. I'm currently obsessed with this NY blush range. I have 2 of them and I'm constantly using them. And this will all, this blush technique will also give you a more sculpted look, So you're just applying blush at the highest points, not all the way. And for powder highlight, I'm going to use my Mars one. It's really pretty. Constantly I'm using this one as well. You can see it's a new product, but still there is a slight wear and tear, and I already have powder highlighter, so I'm going to be careful. I'm already glowing so much. This will really make my makeup long lasting. So for parties, we need long lasting makeup. So yeah, this e.l.f. Camo Concealer, you have to set it, otherwise this can crease. So I'm going to first use a very this shade. It's like compact powder only. So I'm going to just use this to set my lids first. Okay, I'm going to do a really simple party look. For that, I'm going to just use one very light transition and then a blue liner situation. Simple, like simplest thing. See, this is like crazy pigment, so be careful. Recently, I'm loving this, liner with just the matching transition, the liner shade and the matching transition I did with brown, with purple. Now I'm going to do with blue. It's a very easy take on colorful makeup, if you don't want to do full blown eyeshadow look. Like, I'm not also that good at colorful makeup, but it looks really pretty. We have this blue transition, and for definition on my outer V, I will use this. So okay, now with a clean big fluffy brush, I'm going to just diffuse this, looking already very pretty. Now I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty liner, and I'm going to just, this is a very budget proof liner, so you have to be fast if you want to smudge it or something. It's a very pretty. Wow, it's looking really pretty. And I wanted to apply thick liner. You can create a wing, but whenever jabbi I will do a wing liner, it just does not look that good. सी इतना प्रॉपर मेरा मतलब मेरा बहुत शेकी हैंड है. इट्स नॉट that I'm not able to draw that beautiful wing. So if you are pro at liner, okay, so I'm going to leave this here. It's looking really pretty, and I'm going to use this my mascara. First, let me just remove this. So I have this gloss which is very warm tone. It will definitely clash with my eye look. So for lipstick, I'm going to use my current obsession, Pappy Pearson. This is by NYB. Let me just so very pretty. My lips, but better shade. Yeah, this is the finished look, and it is looking really pretty. I am really happy the way this turned out. So yeah, I hope you like this video. This was just a simple and really I have used all the affordable makeup as usual. So if you like this video, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.